As a growing number of emergency calls involve mental illness or homelessness, some police departments are turning to outside help, and it's making a difference. Political specialist Sean Boyd shows us how some lawmakers want to expand the new approach to policing statewide.
The system just wasn't working.
4 years ago, as he watched his deputies respond to a record number of suicides, emergency rooms become holding cells for those in crisis, and public safety increasingly overlap with public health. Summit County Sheriff Jamie Fitzsimons knew something needed to change.
I saw client after client just not being treated in a humane way.
So he assembled 30 community organizations and created a system-wide mental assessment response team, or SMART, to respond to calls that are more about crisis intervention than crime. Instead of uniforms and marked vehicles, a plainclothes deputy, mental health clinician, and caseworkers show up. In the first year, he says, they diverted nearly 300 people from emergency rooms, getting them the help they needed at home.
It means that they didn't lose their job, they didn't lose their apartment, they didn't lose their family, they didn't lose their dog.
Some state lawmakers have taken notice.
Imagine if we were able to do that statewide.
So far, 24 communities, including Denver, have similar programs. Representatives Julie McCluskey and Hugh McKean are introducing a bill to expand a grant program for co-responder teams statewide.
We've done a great job to let people know when they need help to call 911. As that number continues to be called over and over again, we need to support our amazing partners in law enforcement. It should be a community responsibility, and we should respond with community resources.
Right now, the $2 million grant program is only available to law enforcement and only for mental health support. The bill would expand the grants to cover housing support, for example, and make them available to community organizations that coordinate their response with local law enforcement.
So this is most people's worst day. Let's make sure that what we do is find a way to navigate through all of the issues in their lives to figure out what it is that they need help with right now today. Because if we don't look at it that way, then what we really do is we start to compound people's problems.
There's just got to be a better way to treat people.
Sean Boyd, covering Colorado First.